Hello class and welcome to the Fundamentals with Kendall. Today's subject, cloning. According to the March of Dimes Global Report on Birth Defects, at least 3.3 million children less than 5 years of age die annually because of serious birth defects. Unfortunately, most humans with a genetic disease either don't make it past infancy or are disabled for the rest of their lives. Considering a genetic disease is the inheritance or acquisition of mutated DNA, it's very hard for scientists to change the blueprint of someone's DNA. However, gene therapy and gene cloning could potentially cure an autosomal recessive genetic disorder by supplying cloned functional alleles that the patient lacks. Supplying functional alleles provides the missing blueprint to make proteins for healthy bodily function. Let's pretend we are scientists, ready to clone an allele. The first step of the procedure is to isolate pieces of DNA that bacteria have, called plasmid DNA. Next, the functional allele of interest needs to be isolated and cut out. It's way too small for us to cut out manually, so we use a mixture of restriction enzymes to cut out the gene and also cut into the plasmid. Once cut out, the isolated allele can be inserted into a plasmid with glue-like DNA ligase. The plasmid acts like a vehicle carrying the desired DNA sequence of an allele into a host cell for the patient. Now, this is only on the microscopic level, but there has been other semi-successes involving someone you might have heard about. This is Dolly, the first mammal to ever be cloned successfully in 1996. In order to make a clone like Dolly, they used only a haploid egg in a somatic cell. This process is referred to as the somatic cell nuclear transfer process, or SCNT. Dolly was formed without a sperm cell, and instead the nucleus of the somatic cell was inserted into the egg cell, allowing the cells to undergo mitosis with directions from the somatic cell blueprints. Thus, Dolly was able to grow asexually and look exactly like her mom. Speaking of mitosis, I hope I got your divided attention. Scientists are working hard to research the possibilities these experiments and conclusions have given us. Just another example of stepping closer to discovering all the secrets our very own being, our DNA, holds.